Building the future, the crucial role of IT in construction. The construction industry is undergoing a digital revolution. This transformation touches every aspect of a project, from the initial blueprint to the final inspection. Technology is key. Robust IT infrastructure is no longer optional, it is a necessity. Construction leaders are realizing this. They are turning to managed IT services to gain a competitive edge. Managed IT services offer a lifeline for construction companies. These services ensure smooth and efficient operations. They provide expert support for complex software and systems. This allows construction professionals to focus on what they do best, building. By outsourcing IT needs, construction leaders can reduce downtime. They can also minimize risks. This allows them to deliver projects on time and within budget. The demands on construction companies are higher than ever. Projects are becoming increasingly complex, timelines are tighter, and budgets are scrutinized. In this environment, relying on outdated or inadequate IT systems is a recipe for disaster. Managed IT services provide a solution. They offer the stability, security, and scalability needed to thrive in the modern construction landscape. Navigating complexity. How managed IT streamlines large-scale projects. Large-scale construction projects are logistical marathons. They involve countless moving parts. Coordinating teams, managing resources, and ensuring safety demands precision. This is where managed IT services become indispensable. They provide the technological backbone to keep these complex projects on track. One of the key ways managed IT services streamline large-scale projects is through Building Information Modeling, or BIM. BIM is a powerful tool. It creates digital representations of physical and functional characteristics of a facility. This allows architects, engineers, and contractors to collaborate. They can work together in a shared virtual environment. This fosters better communication. It also reduces errors and improves efficiency. Managed IT services ensure that BIM software integrates seamlessly with other project management tools. This creates a centralized hub for all project data. This data can be accessed from anywhere. This is essential for teams spread across different locations. It also enables stakeholders to make informed decisions quickly. This real-time collaboration is crucial. It helps keep projects moving smoothly and avoid costly delays. Connected construction embracing cloud integration and remote collaboration. The construction industry is embracing the power of the cloud. Cloud-based solutions are transforming how projects are managed. They are also revolutionizing how teams collaborate. Managed IT services are instrumental in facilitating this transition. They help construction companies harness the full potential of cloud technologies. Cloud integration offers several benefits for construction. It allows for real-time data sharing. This means teams in the field and in the office can access the same up-to-date information. This eliminates the need for paper-based processes. It also reduces the risk of errors. Cloud-based project management platforms enable efficient task allocation. They also improve communication and streamline workflows. Remote collaboration has become essential in construction. Managed IT services ensure that teams can connect and collaborate seamlessly from any location. Whether it's a project manager overseeing multiple sites or a subcontractor submitting reports remotely, cloud-based solutions keep everyone on the same page. This level of connectivity is crucial for projects with geographically dispersed teams or in situations where remote work is necessary. Security in the site. Safeguarding sensitive data with managed IT. The construction industry handles vast amounts of sensitive data. This includes blueprints, contracts, financial records, and personal information of employees and clients. Protecting this data from cyber threats is paramount. Managed IT providers understand these risks. They implement robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard sensitive information. Construction companies are often targets of cyber attacks. This is due to the perception that their cybersecurity defenses are weak. Cyber criminals may attempt to steal intellectual property. They may try to disrupt operations, or they may aim to hold data hostage for ransom. Managed IT services provide a multi-layered approach to security. This includes firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and anti-malware software. They also implement security protocols, and they provide training to employees to raise awareness about phishing scams and other cyber threats. By partnering with a managed IT provider, construction companies can strengthen their security posture. They can protect their reputation and their bottom line.